Inside knots is also very small. Very, very small. So good work. This system is very good. Okay. Now let's see the knots on our elastic net. Its knots also very small. In fact, our workers not on the elastic net is very difficult, but this work is very good. Our workers very best. You can see, knots very small. Okay. The hair length very long. If you like long hairs, you can choose it. The lace very transparent. High quality lace. This is the full lace wig. Okay. This wig is a full lace wig, and in the middle is elastic net. And all around has commas. You using it will very convenient. And on the back it has an elastic bed. You can use it adjust your size, adjust your circumference. Okay. And the knots very small. On the wig, knots very small, not only front. And the lace very transparent. If you wear it, no one can find it. Very invisible. Front knots very small. On wig knots very small. The hair length very long. This color is natural color. If you like long hair and natural color, you can choose it. I believe you will love it. Its quality very good. And that's still very big. You can see. Here's quality is also very best. You can see very smooth. If you like varying wig, you can choose our wig. This wig's quality very good. If you need which wig, you can tell us. I can show you. 因为跟我说话。Okay, today we will finish our live. See you tomorrow. Bye. If you like which wig, you can tell us. We also have more wigs. Wig. More wigs. If you need, you can tell us. We will show you our wig in stock. Okay, see you tomorrow. Bye.